Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. How are you today? So, in this opportunity, I will present to you all about my journey, my mapping project. Okay, so you can see. For the first, I will present about myself. I haven't read about my close-up photos, but you can see this. This is me. Many my friends say that I have same face with Raja Dharmawangsa. So you can see this is myself, and this is my family. I have two sisters. They are twins. Their name is Husna Husni, and my father, my mother. This picture when I have graduated from my boarding school last May or April, I think, I forget. And this picture is before I came here. This is at what we say? Airport, yeah. This is at airport when I before come here. And this is my father and my mother. My father is judge lawyer at Mahkamah Agung Pengadilan Aceh Singkil, and my mother, he is what we say, bendahara. She is bendahara. Present crew in Perpustakaan dan Arsip in my hometown. And this is my most memorable moment, my unforgettable moment. I ever be a coach in my boarding school. Usually at boarding school we use martial arts like tapak suci, you know. Nah, I ever be a coach and teach to my junior in my boarding school. And if we talk about martial arts sport, I ever winning, you know, Popda Sport Weeks Province. I ever win fighter in martial arts in class weight 55. Yeah, and this is me and my father and my mother. When I passed my program in my boarding school. So in my boarding school we have program, the name is teaching practice. So we must prepare our lesson and we must teach to our junior teaching practice in 1 hour, full by English or Arabic. And when I sit on my senior high school, I ever with MTQ Syarhil Quran at Province Aceh, and this is my friend at my boarding school. This is my friend too at my boarding school, and you can see we all have bald head. We all have bald head because our ustad cut our hair until bald. Because of what? Because there is one of my friend bring the phone to our school. So in my school there is every student is forbidden to bring our phone. So my friends, one of my friends is bring his phone. So our teacher give us the punishment and cut our hair all of one room or asrama. Nah, that is. So this is my prison. You can see we we study in basic English course, Pare, Kediri, and you can see this is our Protos, charming class, be charming, be confident, Allah. And this is my future. I have told you about my future in what? Describing picture. So this is I have told you. This is Siregar. He is international ambassador of Indonesia, and I will be international ambassador of Republic Indonesia. This is, you can see, University of Melbourne logos and University of Sydney. Why I put this logo in my future? Because I want to, after I pass my study here, I want to enter to Melbourne University or University of Sydney. That is my dream. So I think enough until this time. I beg you for me for my fault. And the last, I thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.